So for today's video, I'm going to be installing a wig from one of my favorite hair companies, and it just so happens to be in one of my favorite textures as well. This is a kinky straight wig that I got from OQ Hair. Package is on the ground, but I doubt that you guys really care to see that. The main focus is this right here. So all that I've done to it so far was I just took a wax stick and went in section by section of the closure part of it and try to get it as flat as possible. So this is what we are working with. This is a beautiful kinky straight wig. I'm gonna put all the details in the description box, and I'll probably talk about that later. I'm not under the weather anymore, so I'm glad to be back making videos. So yeah, we're going to take this one off and go ahead and transition into this one. Okay, so I put the wig on, but I haven't like adhered it down yet, so you guys can see. I just went in and tinted my lace, and then that was it. Super easy to install. If you guys see like the black part outside of like the lace stand, those are my edges. Like in certain areas they come down farther than others, so it's like I would have to like literally wear it right here, which does not look right. So you're just gonna see that. I'm gonna use this Kiss Colors and Care lace spray. Ever since we dropped Even, I've been using this and I love it. And you don't even need a lot of this stuff either. I don't spray it directly on the lace. I always spray it on my finger. And then I'll just tap it where I want it. Super easy, super simple. That's the beauty of wearing like a glueless closure wig, is you don't have to do a lot to melt it. And this is a 7x5 lace closure, so it stops about right here. I do have like a little bit of my edges out right there, but I mean it covers pretty much good space. So 7 inches across and then 5 inches back. I'm just gonna put on the scarf for like 5 minutes to tie down the hairline, and then I'm gonna come back and straighten the hair. So I was trying to go for like that messy kind of like 90s blowout, just kind of like effortless look. I put some layers and a little bit of like flat iron curls in this hair because I didn't want it to be perfect. I kind of wanted to look something like this, where the bulk of the curl is kind of just like at the bottom. I might have to play around and add just like a little bit more layers, but overall this was kind of similar to what I was trying to achieve. And that's what I really like about these kinky straight wigs, is that they're very versatile. Like you can pretty much style them however it is that you want to, and it'll still look effortless. Like you don't have to put a lot of like work into making these wigs look nice. Like you low-key can't even really tell that this is a kinky straight wig anymore, but I promise you guys the texture is still there. I will say though, because I'm somebody who has a small head and typically wears a size small in wigs, this wig runs just a little bit too big for me, so that's why it doesn't look like, see guys, you see this here? Like it's not as flat as it could be because it's just a tiny bit too big for me. So if you were like medium large, should fit you perfectly, but as someone with a smaller head, I do have a little bit of room in this wig. Again, this is from OQ Hair. This is the packaging. It's a kinky straight lace closure wig, 5x7 lace, HD lace. They already pre-plucked the hairline and bleached the knots, and this is 22 inches prior to me like cutting it up. Guys, this hair is so fluffy and so soft. Like, you can just very easily run your fingers through it. No snags, no tangles. It's not really too much to say about these kinky straight wigs in particular because they're pretty like low maintenance, easy to deal with. This one in particular hasn't given me any issues. I like that this hair texture barely sheds. It takes to heat very well. I mean, it's got everything that you need in it as far as like combs and adjustable straps. You guys can see like the natural luster and shine on the hair. This hair is like not dull at all. I didn't put any product on it and it still looks, you know, good. I do hope that this video shows you guys that you do not just have to wear these wigs one kind of way. You can wear it in its natural state and do like hairstyles with it. You can put some heat to it and do hairstyles with it. It's pretty versatile. So I think that this is a great wig option, especially if you like this texture. But like I said, if you guys have a small head like me, it is a little roomy, so I don't think it's small head friendly. So that's pretty much all that I have to say for this particular video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, of course you guys can let me know. Let me know in the comment section if you guys are rocking with this texture. I love kinky straight and yaki straight. Those are like, when it comes to natural hair textures, those are going to be my go-to. I know there's like a lot of like, you know, 4C imitations of like curly hair and things of that nature, but this will always be my favorite natural hair texture if I had to choose. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.